Hey guys, TEPCO Cycle Repair. Let's clean up this beta pipe junction. Alright, so in here there's a lip on the rubber, so it can only slide onto the silencer that far. So together they look like this. Together this lip right here is pushed underneath it, which I don't know why they did it like that and didn't have something else, because it's going to be hard to seal it like that. But I'll put springs, and the springs I'm talking about are these right here, and this is one here is from a KTM 125 SX, so I'll use these springs on here. They just sit into grooves, just like the grooves that are on the beta. Alright guys, so that tab right there, I just don't know what it's for. The pipe doesn't touch it, everything is mounted up fine. The rubber grommet that meets the two together, it sits up high on it. You can see how the exhaust is passing it right there. It doesn't make sense that it's there. You know, it should be like to stop the pipe, but it doesn't. So I'm going to grind it off so I can get a good clean seal with the pipe junction. That's going to be part of the problem with shooting stuff all over your cylinder and making a mess. Mine's not really bad. It's jetted good now. It's clean. It probably won't shoot any more out of there, but I'm going to clean that up. That's better. Let me clean it up a little bit. Alright, that'll work. Let's throw it back on. Now that looks much better in there. Good, clean pipe junction. That's how it should be. I can sleep at night now. Looking good. But guys, let me show you another option just in case you're somebody who likes a bunch of options. So this is a different pipe because I got the other pipe on the bike, but on the silencer side of it, you can cut 10 millimeters back here, and that will let the grommet sit on more, and it won't interfere with the little tab that we just cut off. All right, so you can cut this back 10 millimeters or cut the little tab off so the rubber grommet sits flush on there. That's the goal. That's what we're trying to achieve here. So there's your other option. All right guys, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple process, but more importantly, you want to get the bike jetted right so it's not shooting anything out through there, because you shouldn't be shooting anything that's unburnt out of your exhaust. Do me a favor guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is TEPCO Cycle Repair.